Well, we have something more about the coronavirus that we read about the Hong Kong's foreign domestic workers will have to be vaccinated before contract can be renewed. What's here on SCMP, which is like the South China Morning Post. This list was about for a tough news policy in response to emergence of coronavirus variants in city means helpers applying for work visas from overseas will have to be vaccinated first. The secondly, have domestic work in Hong Kong have also been ordered, to undergo mandatory COVID-19 testing by May 9th. This is for next month. May 9th probably starting with, or actually it means premiere. Now this is the domestic workers must get tested before May 9th. If you can see all those people sitting down outside, that's why you gotta keep wearing your mask before you're gonna get things really strong bodies. And what type of vaccine you want for Johnson & Johnson, either Pfizer, either the Moderna, whatever you call this one, it is what you get chose for. Now for this paragraph, all foreign domestic workers in Hong Kong will have to be vaccinated before their contracts can be renewed. The government announced on Friday as it ordered them to undergo mandatory COVID-19 testing by May 9th. The top new policy in response to the worrying emergence of coronavirus variants I'm not sure what you call this one, variants in the city means domestic helpers applying for work visas from overseas will have to be vaccinated first, with details to be announced later by labor and immigration authorities. 2 foreign domestic workers from the Philippines have been confirmed to be infected with mutated strains so far in Hong Kong. One of them contracted locally from an unknown source, while at least 10 imported COVID-19 infections previously recorded in the city have been found to carry a variant suspected to be behind the current surge devastating India. That you always remember about the India. Have more articles about the grim situation at Hong Kong Records' first local untraceable COVID-19 mutant cases. If you can, you click for this on this part, and it tells you for the COVID-19 veterans on this guide, and you guys for the slideshows. All those maps can tell you why it's gonna be. It's just for the timeline, and here's one for it. And actually, it started with the Britons for the first round. It's also starting with the first round for South Africa, and evenly for the round for Brazil. That's only 3. And over here, this is what Professor David Hui, what they get to testifying for vaccination before they contract for the May 9th. Also, we have more bar graph about the vaccinated Hong Kong population that has the number of people who have been vaccinated. This guy, it tells you what we say about the based on the estimated by government public health advisors. There's a residents of a Tong Chung residential block were tested for COVID-19 and then quarantined. I'm quite sure you get this online. I'm just giving more, and you have to make sure to read a whole paragraph about to be testified before you get beyond the premiere for the May 9th. I'm going to put the link into the description box below at the end of this video. If you have any question about the Hong Kong foreign domestic workers before you get testing for the COVID-19 by May 9th, write down in the comments below if you want to say something. Always have to make sure to view all videos before sharing. Until next time, later. Are you a fan of our videos? Be sure to subscribe to Worldwide Campus News and Entertainment. Then ring the bell to see all notifications about the new videos and the latest video.